Hi and welcome to this DIY video where I am going to show you 3 different things that I'm DIYing. First, I am going to frost this vase. I have this white frosting paint and I'm just gonna paint it with a brush here. I did one coat with the brush, but you could really see the brush strokes. So I decided to take a sponge and dab it in. The paint dried really fast and now I'm just putting in some fake flowers, these white ones and pink ones. I'll insert the names of them here. And I got them really cheap at a craft store. And I'm really happy with the result. The frostedness of the vase makes you can't really see if there's water in there or not. I'm now gonna make a sign with my stepson's name on it to put on his door. I'm gonna start with painting it with the paint that I had for the vase. I did a few coats of this and I really like the results. Then I have these letters that I painted in this teal color and let them dry, and then I glued them on with some super glue. Excuse my stuffy nose, I've been dealing with a cold again and I'm hoping it will be better soon because I'm really tired of being sick now. I finished it off with some colorful washi tape, as you can see here. I have this bread baking thing that I don't use, and I am gonna make a little thing with plants and some lights. And so I'm just trying out different lights and different types of plants. And I'm thinking I am gonna have this all year around, just switching out the plants and the fake flowers. So I'm just taking some fake tulips here because it's springtime, and I am just gonna cut them in a shorter length. All the candles I'm using are fake, and so they run on batteries so that the fake plants don't catch fire. Plus I have little kids at home, and with this not being real, I can have it lit when they're up. So I'm just taking some different twigs and cutting them into shorter lengths, and then I'm just gonna experiment with how I want it. And since it's soon Easter, I ended up putting in some feathers, and I think when we're getting even closer to Easter, I am actually gonna put in some small Easter eggs. So this is what I ended up with, and I chose the small tea lights, and I wanted it to look like wood, and so I decided to put on some contact paper around. I realized that it would have been much easier to do this beforehand, but I got so eager and forgot about it in the beginning. So now I am just lining it, and then I'm gonna cut it and just peel it off and stick it to the pan. I made a cut in all the corners to make it fit better. And this is the final result. So these were today's 3 crafts. I did the vase with the flowers, and I did the planter with the fake flowers and candles, and the sign. Crafting and anything to do with crafting, like scrapbooking or just, making it your own, I love, and I hope you get inspired by this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.